Hey everybody, Jeff here and welcome back to the channel. Hey, I have a big update here on this Dewalt Flexvolt saw that normally is being sold here at Home Depot for $799. Now this is their cordless saw that takes the two 60-volt Flexvolt batteries. Now the good thing about this saw is that it also can be plugged into the wall, so in case your batteries are dead and you don't have time to charge them, this will power off of AC power through the AC adapter or through the two battery. Anyway, so this saw has pretty much always been $799, and last year at Black Friday they dropped it down $100 to $699 as well. And then this year at Black Friday they dropped this price down to $699. Somewhere around, I think it was late October is when I first spotted it. They didn't have any fanfare around it. I didn't see it in the flyers. They just lowered the price sticker on the floor there down to $699. Well, the price rose back up again to $799 just before Black Friday. I thought for sure that Home Depot was going to keep this Dewalt Flexvolt saw down to the $699 level. I have no idea why they brought it back up to $799. Anyway, this is a saw that a lot of people have their eye on. They call it the Sexy Flexi. That's their nickname for it. So now what if I told you, folks, that instead of this $799 price right here, you can get this saw for $699 like this, huh? And save $100. Okay, how would you like your screen to look like this instead of like this, huh? So let me show you what you got to do to make this happen. So they are apparently doing this in a regional sort of a format. So Home Depot is doing this in sort of a regional area where certain areas, certain regions, if you pull this up on the Home Depot website, you'll see it as $699. But how do we make you in your area make it come up if yours is showing $799 like mine is? Well, here's what we do for that. Okay, so what you're going to do now is you come up to the upper left here on the Home Depot website, and where it says here you're shopping at whatever store it is, you're going to click that button there. Once you've clicked the button and it opens up the store, that you say find other stores, and then right there you're going to type in store number 6820, 6820. Let's see what that brings up. Okay, so it brings up Brownwood, number 6820. That's in Brownwood, Texas. So let's select that store. And as soon as you do that, so now you can see the price is $699. So what do we do then? It says you can pick it up in the store there. So certainly if you're in that area, they're showing one not in stock at Brownwood. But sometimes, a lot of times this year, the stores have been inaccurate, so they may say that there's nothing in stock, but you get there and you find it there. Now, if you find that it's not there, you might have to drive 66 miles to Abilene. Okay, the other thing is it says not ship to home is not available for this item here. So it was showing available last night, so I don't know, but at least you know you can go there. Okay, now I'll put the direct link to this down in the video description below for you. And by the way, just as a disclosure, as you know, anytime we give you links to sites like Amazon or Home Depot, those are affiliate links where if you buy the tool or product that we link to, and we'll get a small, couple of % commission. And, we thank you so much for supporting our channel in this manner, folks, because this is what helps us continue to buy more tools to test for you and do all of these tool review videos, and it helps us to buy more tools for our giveaways that we do quite often for you. And you've seen our giveaways, we give away the big stuff. We don't mess around. So anyway, we appreciate your support on that, and I'll put those links down below in the video description for you. Let's see what happens if we choose the Abilene store. Okay, so when I look at the check nearby stores, you can see it's available in Abilene here. So you could probably just order it online and go there to pick it up. So this looks like it's our only choice right now, but when I did check last night, they did have ship to home available. So who knows? So you can check around in your area, see if the deal is good in your area, because I'm sure it's got to be available at this price in more stores than just one Home Depot store in the entire chain. So check this out and see if you are able to score it. Okay, so take a look at this next scene. Let me show you what I was going through. This is what I filmed in Home Depot back on November 5th when the saw was on display for $799, but it was really $699 if you scanned it in and then brought it up to the register. And also, this is another stellar deal. This is one I got last year. I took advantage of this, the exact same price. So Even though they haven't changed the price tag here on the floor yet, it's still $7.99, but it's actually $6.99. It shows up on the website. So I don't know why they haven't changed the price yet. I mean, you think they would have if they want to sell any of these. So you can get this for $6.99, but if you're smart and you go to one of the coupon sites and you buy a 15% off Home Depot coupon, you can get this saw right here for $5.95. That's the exact same price I paid for it last Black Friday. This is the same deal that Home Depot had for their Home Depot Black Friday sale last year. So what's so special about this one? This is the Dewalt Flexvolt sliding miter saw. This is a 12-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw, and it runs off of the Flexvolt batteries. Or you can also run it off of powered as well. See, so if you look at the box here, it says that it runs corded or cordless. So normally this thing sits here all year long at $7.99, and now that it's Black Friday season here at Home Depot, the same thing happened last year, and when they dropped it to $6.99, I went online to the coupon website there, remember the coupon's going to cost you about $25, but it'll save you about $100, so your net savings will be about $75 by purchasing that coupon. See, so that's what I did. And if you don't want to go through all that trouble, then you can just pay the $6.99. But well, why wouldn't you though? Why wouldn't you spend 5 minutes online to get an instant downloadable PDF coupon that you can just print right out and bring it right in? I mean, that's what I did. I printed mine out like within 10 minutes of leaving the house. And then I came right down here and bought this saw. Totally incredible deal. You don't often find $200 off on a deal unless it's like these saws like the Dewalt here and like the rigid saw here for $349. Now, I know a question is going to come up from everybody. Why can't I use the 10% on Lowe's coupon? Shouldn't I be able to use it? And the answer is no, unless you go to the store and buy it there. And then you could score 10% off. So for $6.99, you would get $70 off. So you'll be paying about $630 if you can get any type of 10% off coupon or your military discount of 10%. So if you're a military person or a veteran and you have military, whatever your necessary proof is, you should be able to get it. So that's about the best you can do on this. $6.99 is already a pretty good price, but if you can sweeten the deal with 10% more on top of that, then I would say go for it, because it would definitely be worth your money. The other thing you can do is, if you have to buy this in the store, you can go to one of the websites to buy an actual Home Depot coupon. Now let me show you this. Okay, so what I do is I usually go to this site. It's quick-coupons.com, but it's spelled QUIK-coupons.com. These guys aren't paying me or anything. This is just a site that I've used, and I don't get any money or compensation. They're not paying me for sending you there. But when you get to their page, you can see they have this Home Depot coupon, and it's expensive. I mean, it's $29.95, but they're always running these promos where you get 20% off right here. So you figure the coupon's about $25. So you really need to run your numbers and do your analysis, because spending $25 like on a coupon like this really only pays off on a big ticket item that's about $500 or more. So spending $25 here on this promo coupon, and by the way, it's printable and you can only use it in the store. So you don't buy this if you're going to buy the saw online. You would only buy this coupon if you're going to take it down to the store and use it there at the store on this saw. Okay, so you figure you're going to spend $25 and they're going to take 15% off of that $700 saw. Okay, so that's about $100 off. So your net savings is going to be $75 by the time you're done. Okay, so this I think is a really good. This is how I bought mine last year, by the way. During Black Friday, when my saw was $699, okay, I bought this exact coupon that I just showed you here online, this this Home Depot. See, it's a printable coupon. I downloaded it instantly, printed it out, took it into Home Depot. The saw was $6.99 at Home Depot. They took $100 off at the register, and I ended up paying about $590 for it by the time I was done. So this is the best way you can do it. Now, if all you can do is get it online, then you have to use those links that I sent you down into the video description below there. You would use those links. That'll take you right into the website. And you can keep searching, in your area, or keep trying adjacent areas to you to see how far you're willing to travel to go pick one of these up. Or maybe you're lucky and they will ship it to you. Okay, and by the way, while I have you here, make sure you check our videos tab for all of these unbelievable money-saving deals we've been showing you for the last few weeks here. Particularly here, this Craftsman VersaStack cooler that we showed you that was $129 and it's marked down to $32. And we showed you in this video right over here how to get it for 75% off, how to get this Craftsman cooler on wheels for $32, and just numerous hundreds of you responded back already that you were able to find them in your store. Some of you bought 2, 3, 4 of these and bought them for family members for Christmas. So anyway, I hope you found this video useful so far, and if you have, hey, would you do us a favor? Give us a thumbs up down below. That tells us that you like us. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, all I can say is, man, why haven't you? You see here on our videos tab here all of the different videos we have for you in different categories. You know, we cover all sorts of tool reviews where we do exhaustive drop testing of our items under test here to give you the best tool reviews out there. And we also give you all sorts of remodeling in your homes and your bathrooms, and all of your kitchen remodeling, and all sorts of tiling projects and flooring projects. And we show you how to get out of some really bad engineering disasters. And we have all sorts of construction tips for you as well. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, make sure you click that subscribe button down below there. And when you do that, click the little gray bell icon next to it. That tells YouTube to alert you every time we upload a new video. Well, that's it for this week, folks. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we'll see you on the next one.